Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing South Walton Condos II. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Panama City Beach, Florida, this apartment-style hotel features a heated outdoor swimming pool and laundry facilities. It is 16 minutes drive from Gulf World Marine Park. A kitchenette with a stovetop and kitchenware is provided in each studio at South Walton Condos II by Wyndham Vacation Rentals. A cable TV, DVD player, and CD player are also provided. Towels and linens are provided. The property offers a washing machine, tumble dryer, and free parking. An elevator is provided for ease of access to guest rooms. Northwest Florida Beaches International Airport is 26 minutes drive from South Walton Condos II. Guests will be 13 minutes drive from Man in the Sea Museum. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.